Welcome back. Now we are going to the seventh numerical in the first exercise of some applications of trigonometry. The question is, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. Now you have to be careful. There are two things here. There's a building, and on top of the building is the tower. So if this is the building, this building's height is given. The height of this building is 20 meters. Now on top of this building, we have one tower. This tower's height is being asked. You have to find this height. We'll call this height as h. You have to find h. This is the question. For that, they're given us two angles. One angle is from the bottom of the tower. This angle is one angle. How much is that angle? 45 degrees. One angle is from the bottom of the tower. The other angle is from the top of the tower. From here, one more angle is there. Top of the tower. That angle is 60 degrees. That angle is 60 degrees. So what we will do is, first we will use the 45-degree angle. Then we will use the 60-degree angle. So which means what we are going to take is, first the building. This is our building. Angle formed, 45 degrees. Correct? Top of the building is the bottom of the tower. The tower's bottom comes here. So 45 degrees. This height of the building we know 20 meters. So from this 20 meters, we can find this distance between the person and the building, which means we can find x. This is the base. This is the opposite. Now, which trigonometric function relates opposite and base? Tan. So I can write tan theta is equal to opposite by base. Now, what is tan theta here? It's 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is equal to 20 meters by x. Now tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to 20 meters by x. Remember that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Cross multiply, I got x. X is 20 meters. So distance between the person and the tower is 20 meters. That is the distance. Now I will take the second angle. Now we are going to consider the second angle, which means now we have tower plus building. This is 20 meters. This is h. And what is the angle? Angle is now 60 degrees. This distance also we know. This distance is 20 meters. We just found that, right? X. We just found x. X is 20 meters. So opposite base. Which trigonometric function relates opposite and base? Again tan theta. So tan of 60 degrees is equal to, what is my opposite now? H plus 20, correct? Full. H is the height of the tower plus 20 divided by what is x? 20. Now tan 60 we know is root 3. So root 3 is equal to h plus 20 divided by 20. Tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get 20 root 3 is equal to h plus 20. Bring 20 on the other side, you will get 20 root 3 minus 20 is h. 20 is common, so 20 into root 3 minus 1 is h. This is the height of tower. So height of tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1. So very simple. Understand the question carefully. You have a building, and on top of the building is the tower. Building is 20 meters, and on top of that we have a tower of height h. So initial angle is 45 degrees from the bottom of the tower. Bottom of the tower is the top of the building. Remember that bottom of the tower is the top of the building. So building height is 20 meters. You can find the distance from the building. That is tan theta is opposite by base. Distance is x. X will become 20 meters. Now second case, go to the top of the tower. Their angle is 60 degrees. So tan 60 is opposite is h plus 20 now. Height plus building's height. So So h plus 20 divided by 20, tan 60 is root 3, cross multiply 20 root 3, bring 20 on the other side, 20 root 3 minus 20, that is 20 into root 3 minus 1. That is the height of the tower, 20 into root 3 minus 1.